Hi, I'm Tom King from Masterblend, and thanks to your support, we've tripled our warehouse and we're fully in stock, ready to ship. We've developed for you our quick ship starter packs. We've got a starter pack for carpet cleaning with our enzyme pre-spray urine lock pop and our ultimate protectant. You know what's great about it? It's free shipping, no minimums. Hey, you got odor problems? We got you covered. We've got our urine lock, our skunk odor, At Last, and citrus deodorizer all in one box, ready to ship. Guess what? It's free shipping, no minimums. Hey, are you getting into rugs? Thinking about getting into rugs? Wanting to get into rugs? We've got you covered. Here's our top 3 rug shampoos: Oriental Rug Shampoo, Mastertech Shampoo, and Formula M, as well as skunk odor for those rat nasty rugs. We can get the urine out. Best thing is, it's free shipping, no minimums. You've got more carpet to clean. Maybe it's your first carpet cleaning. Maybe you're just getting started and you need something. How about ordering our carpet starter pack with Redline pre-spray, rinse, citrus deodorizer, and our fine fabric pre-spray? You're set up, you're ready to go. Guess what? It's still free shipping, no minimums. You've got problems with folks who are sensitive, have allergies. Our anti-allergies products are for you. We've got them all in one box, ready to go. The pre-spray, the rinse, the deodorizer, and the anti-allergen treatment. Guess what? It's still free shipping, no minimums. You just need a case of Redline, maybe a case of Oriental Rug Shampoo. It's late at night. Go online, make the order. It's free shipping, no minimums. It's a holiday, you forgot to order, you go online. It's free shipping, no minimums. You're out on the lake, you're fishing, and you suddenly realize, I need more Redline. It's free shipping, no minimums, as long as you order online.